AQI in the national capital has plummeted to a new low. This morning, the AQI from several centers across the national capital was being reported above the 450 mark, which means that it is absolutely impossible to breathe in this very toxic air that has yet again engulfed the entire national capital. The temperatures in the national capital has plummeted, which means that the visibility is going to remain very poor over the next few days. This morning, the visibility from the Delhi IGI airport was reported around the 100-meter mark, which means that along with the fog that has engulfed, there is a lot of smog that is also in this air that has yet again engulfed and made the city and made the air in the city, in fact, almost impossible to breathe in. The Delhi government has now imposed GRAP 4 measures, which is said to be reactive measures that have been imposed out here in the national capital. It is the highest level of GRAP that can be implemented, which means that vehicles that will be entering the national capital from the nearby districts, they will be stopped at the borders. The polluting vehicles will be stopped, whereas the Delhi government has already announced that schools functioning across Delhi will have to function on online mode. Apart from this, the Delhi government has also gone ahead and requested the private companies to shift to an hybrid model so that the number of vehicles that are plying on the road, that could be brought down, because the main reason of pollution out here in the national capital this time around is being said to be emitted from pollution or from the vehicles that are plying on the road. Over the next few days, it is expected that the AQI in the national capital will remain in the very poor category and some days in the severe category as well, and hence it is requested to the people out here in the national capital to stay indoors and do not venture out of their houses until and unless it is absolutely necessary, because breathing in this air is nothing less than breathing hazardous air in the national capital. So the next few days are going to be very, very difficult for the people out here in Delhi, as Delhi continues to reel under heavy toxic air that has engulfed the entire national capital region this winters as well. Breathing in Delhi is hazardous. This morning, as the people of the national capital region woke up, they were welcomed by this drop in temperature and also by an increased amount of pollution out here in the national capital. This morning, several centers in the national capital have reported an AQI above the 450 mark, which means that it is in the very severe category or severe plus category, so to say. Now, over the last few hours, the Delhi government has in fact gone ahead and implemented GRAP 4 measures out here in the national capital. Now, GRAP 4 is the highest measures that can be put in place, or the highest level of contingency plan that can be put in place from the side of the Delhi government. Now, what does the GRAP 4 says? Since the AQI in the national capital has plummeted to such a low level, the GRAP 4 measures are being seen as a reactive measure that has been put in by the Delhi government. Now, according to the GRAP 4 measures, any sort of construction that is happening anywhere in the national capital will come to a grinding halt. Apart from this, the schools in Delhi have been asked to shift to online mode, much like what was happening during the pandemic, and students apart from class 10th and 12th will be studying in online mode till the next announcement is made from the side of the Delhi government. Government offices in the national capital and private offices in the national capital have been requested by the Delhi government to implement a new model according to which only 50% of the staff would be asked to come and join work at the offices, where the rest 50% would be asked to work from home, basically making sure that the number of vehicles on the road is reduced in some way or the other, because this time around, apart from the stubble burning, the major contributor to the pollution out here in the national capital is said to be the pollution that is being emitted from vehicles. Now, as I'm reporting from Kartavya Path, and I'll just try and show you around in the visuals over here how the situation has gone from bad to worse this morning as well. This morning, the Delhi airport had reported a visibility of less than 100 meters, which meant that somewhere or the other the movement of planes has been affected out here in the national capital itself. In fact, at the Delhi airport, apart from this, the trains that are coming to and fro towards the national capital and going towards North India, they are also being affected. Several trains are already running late, and hence it is advised from the airport authorities to actually make sure that they get in contact with their airlines before they try to travel towards the Delhi airport. over the next few days, the situation in the national capital is going to remain in this very, very poor category or the severe category itself, which means that there is no immediate relief that can be given to the people of the national capital. Grab 4 measures have been implemented. They are being followed on the ground. It remains to be seen how much of it will eventually affect in making sure that the AQI is improved in some way or the other. But the situation at this point in time is definitely getting from bad to worse, as it is getting very, very difficult for the people out here to breathe in this very toxic air that has yet again gone ahead and engulfed the entire national capital region. Doctors have already advised kids to stay within their homes, and people who have any breathing condition or any ailment with their lungs, they should remain inside their homes in protective conditions, because this air that we are breathing right now is becoming toxic with every passing day, with no long-term measure still being implemented or being thought of by the government. At 12 noon today, the Environment Minister of the National Capital, Gopal Rai, will in fact hold a meeting in which the future of how to tackle this pollution menace in the national capital will be talked about. But over the last few weeks, the kind of response that has come in from the Delhi government and from different governments in North India, that is something that is very, very alarming, as people of not only Delhi but of entire NCR region and entire North India are being forced to breathe in this very, very toxic air, which is absolutely unhealthy for any living organism to survive in.